हम पूरा सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं छात्रों के आंदोलन को, ठीक है। मेरे मुंह से खून निकल रहा था कल। हम पूरा सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। पहली बात, जितेंद्र सिंह इज इरेलेवेंट इन दिस डिस्कशन. I mean, I'm not, he's an irrelevant fellow who doesn't, he can say whatever he wants. He can say whatever he wants. He's an irrelevant part of this discussion. The discussion is very simple. We have clear demands. Demand number one, Dharmendra Pradhan goes. Not our demands, student demands. Number one, Dharmendra Pradhan goes. Number two, anyone who assaulted the students is punished. Number three, Prime Minister must apologize to students. Mr. Jitendra Kumar wants to see whatever fantasy he wants to see. He's welcome to see it. I'm not really bothered about it.
Archana PTI Hindi.
Is an irrelevant issue to me. I don't care. Treat me 5 times worse, I don't care. The focus has to be on this. The focus has to be on what was done to the students. The focus has to be on the education system, on paper leaks, and on the costs that these children have been forced to pay. So, do whatever you want to me. 5 times, 10 times worse, I don't care. In fact, I like it because I learn from it.
And the government's allegation on you?
I don't care about government's allegations. Government's allegations are of no consequence to me. हमें लगा कि अगर हिंदुस्तान के स्टूडेंट्स सड़क पे हैं तो ऑपोजिशन को भी सड़क पे होना चाहिए, पहली बात। दूसरी बात, हमारी नेचुरल स्पेस पार्लियामेंट है और प्राइम मिनिस्टर हाउस जाने से पहले ऑपोजिशन स्पीकर के पास गए, उनके कमरे में गए, रिस्पेक्टफुली गए और हमने स्पीकर से कहा देखिए यह बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा है, आप हमें बोलने दीजिए, इसके बारे में डिस्कशन करने दीजिए। स्पीकर ने कहा कि देखिए मैं सरकार से पूछूंगा, मीनिंग इट इज नॉट स्पीकर्स डिसीजन, इट इज सरकार डिसीजन। ठीक है, पूछिए। पूछने के बाद कोई डिस्कशन नहीं, पूरे इशू को इग्नोर कर दिया। ठीक है, धर्मेंद्र प्रधान, जस्ट पुट दैट अदर स्लाइड, धर्मेंद्र प्रधान एक सिंबल है। धर्मेंद्र प्रधान is a symbol and the students have pain about how they have been treated. That symbol has to be removed. Out of respect to the students, that symbol has to be removed, number one. Number two, that symbol has to be removed because he's a completely incompetent, probably collusive person in this drama. We know his background. We know how clean he is. We know the type of person he is. There's a history here. And to send a message to the country that we are listening to the students, we respect their sentiment, this man's got to go. And that is why we went to the Prime Minister house yesterday to support this demand, which is a demand that every single student is making. How the discussion is going to be held, who's going to hold it, it's not only the government's decision. Because two people need to talk. That's going to be decided by the opposition. At least our part of it. The government wants to distract from this. The government wants to rub this thing under the carpet. कि भाई ये हुआ ही नहीं. और हम चाहते हैं कि ये सेंट्रल इशू है और ये सेंट्रल इशू पर रेजोल्यूशन आए. प्रधान जाए, Prime Minister apologizes, everyone who assaulted students is the first step. Then we want to see changes being made to the testing system. We want to see changes being made to the amount of money people are charging. My job is to express the will of India's people. whether it is the will of the students, whether it is the will of young people, whether it is the will of the farmers. This is the job that I'm supposed to do as leader of opposition. I'm supposed to become an expression of the voice of India's people. I'm supposed to bring attention to where pain is being felt. These are very small costs. These are not big costs. It's a huge honor for me to do this, to be able to stand with the wishes of my people. सबसे पहले सही है कि पुलिस वाले थोड़ा मतलब मुझे घसीट के ले गए, बट कान में कह रहे थे कि इस सरकार को हटाइए. एक्चुअली मैं राजस्थान का हूं, इनको हटाइए. हम सिर्फ वर्दी पहने हैं. दूसरा कह रहा है मैं हरियाणा का हूं, इनको हटाइए. तो दैट सेंटिमेंट इज देयर एंड सच्चाई एवरीबॉडी नोस. ओके, उन बेचारों को मतलब ऑर्डर एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ता है तो वो करने हैं. बट इवन पुलिस इज नॉट हैप्पी अबाउट व्हाट हैज हैपेंड. सेंसिबल पुलिस पीपल feel that this is a crime that has been done to the future of our country. This is a crime that is being done to the people we love. They can see their children in this. तो पहली बात वो है. दूसरी बात देखिए, यहां तो बड़ा क्लियर है. This is the demand of the students. We fully support it. And whatever Andolan is taking place on this front, in Delhi, in any state, anywhere, that has to do with these issues, has to do with student issues, Congress party 100%, me 100%, and the opposition as a whole 100% is supporting this. We are going to continue supporting it. The deeper problem is the government. There is a fundamental issue on jobs that is causing tremendous pain, and I've already said that we are heading into a storm. This is just signs that the storm is coming. But when the Iran war impact is felt, then you will see that there will be serious problems coming as a result of the pain that is being caused to farmers, to students, to other people. The meeting tomorrow morning. There's a meeting of opposition people. It is disrespectful for me to decide for them. What they will decide, we will agree with. But this is non-negotiable for sure. These 3 points, this is not our demand. This is the students' demand, which we are fully backing. This is not negotiable under any circumstances. Whether House will run tomorrow, that is up to the entire opposition, which will be a discussion.
And the first question, what compels government to reach out to you so immediately?
Because in every government, there comes a time when psychologically they collapse. The leadership collapses. So that has happened. The government is actually in panic. This reaction that they've done with the students, this is a panic reaction. Right? What they were doing yesterday with us is a panic reaction. That's a different issue. We have to resolve this issue.